Assalamualaikum friends, here is all in one PNG bundle. Total PNG file is 1200 plus. These files are protected. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK, buy now in $4.99 for lifetime, and follow my Facebook page. I will provide every video here like a YouTube channel, and here is my Telegram channel, Sheri SK official. You can subscribe this. I will provide every notification or every video link first here. Okay, now you see here is different category. Here is 13 different categories of PNG, like animal, agriculture, background element, food, illustration, means of transport, and here is nature, objects, nose, object, paper, and people, plants. So here is animal and bird, insects, bits, like animal. Here is animal. All files are high definition. Okay, here is bird. You see the resolution of PNG file. Oh, okay. Here is 46 files. Insects, here is just 8. A bee, dragonfly, butterfly. I don't know about this. Okay, and next is bit. Here is 15, cat and dog. Wow, here landmark, object, status, cities. Okay, here is 31. Backgrounds, here is mix, and here is nature. All are high definition. Here is 6.87 MB file, 6000, and wow. Okay, elements, paint, text, vintage, lettering, abstract. Oh, here is food. Total file is 108. All are high definition. Here is illustration, 71. Wow, birds, transport. Okay, and here is nature objects, like desert, earth, sorry, field, forest, hill. Okay, nose. Here is object. Wow, audio cassettes. Love song. Okay, here is planet, leaves, flowers. Here is 37. Here is 20, planter. So I hope these PNGs are useful for you. Download app for password, follow my Facebook page Sheri SK, and last is my Telegram channel Sheri SK official. I will provide every link here. I hope this data is useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.